in the matter of objectives, how did you negotiate the objectives?
Okay, good. So this was done mainly by communication. I mean, communication is key to success in this type of projects. So the different objectives were negotiated through different online meetings. The teachers and the trainee teachers that were participating, we had meetings where we shared our views and where we discussed what we wanted to do or what we wanted to achieve in the lessons and in the exchange.
Perfect. And how did you manage to make the syllabus fit the needs of each school?
Okay, so it might seem difficult, but it was quite easily actually. The Tekola project had a lot of tasks and we could choose from those. And we really had three options. The first one was just taking one task as it was and use it in class because they had different tasks. The second option was taking a task and modifying it or adapt it to the class needs, the syllabus, or the reality that they had. And the third one was creating a new task, just looking at what we had to do in the classes. What we did for the main task was this last option. In fact, we created a task for the students for the main activity, and it worked really good. And if you're thinking in this project, in the A-Life project, that you're going to create, or maybe you will be interested in creating tasks, that would be nice. And if you do it, they will be later uploaded to their resources bank and authorship will be granted. So if you create a task, then it will be explained that that task has been created by that particular person from that school.